Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles and good morning to everyone. So today I'm starting off my day with reaching out to my 10 to 15 previous customers and clients, or current customers and clients, people that have sent inquiries through my website chat, DMs, whatever, whoever I can find to reach out to that was once interested in one of the services that I'm offering. I do that. My minimum goal is to reach out to at least 10 people per day. So that's what I'm doing today. Some days when I have more time, I'll reach out to more, but it's really important that you're working your business and you're not forgetting about people that were interested in what you offer, or that are interested in what you offer. So it's working your leads. And so I did a video in depth going over how I do this. I showed the templates that I use, and I showed, how I go in and what app I use to message my prior customers and things like that. And so, or current customers too, you know what I mean? Just like I said before, anyone that's interested or has been interested in anything that I offer, I'm reaching out. So this is a really good way to start off your day, or to also end your business day, just making sure that you're doing your part on reaching out to organic people. And after I get done doing this, I'm going to get started with the rest of my business day. And this probably takes about, I would say, a good 30 minutes to an hour normally. If I'm doing more than 10, if I'm doing just 10 people, then it can take maybe like 15, 20 minutes at the most. Because what I do is I review who I'm emailing, and I make sure the email correlates to what they were interested in. So if they were interested in drop shipping, then I'm going to check in with them and see how their hair business is doing. If they have any questions, pretty much seeing how I can assist with their hair business journey. If they reached out for mentoring or a consultation, I'm going to also check in and see how I can assist with those services if they still need the services. Different ways that I can benefit them, ask a couple different questions, letting me know what the best way is for me to help and what services and products I have that can better assist them. If they were interested in bundles that I offer, closures, frontals, then I'll tailor the email to that, seeing if they are interested in anything that I'm offering, and maybe offer a detailed coupon code. So next part of my day is going to be lunch. I'm eating this salad. The salad is really, really good. It has a lot of meat, a lot of cheese, and a lot of veggies. It's probably not the most healthy salad, but it tastes really good. I can eat this salad even without dressing. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and then I'm going to pick the vlog up probably once I get to the grocery store. So I am at the grocery store. I'm looking for certain ingredients because I do want to eat more healthy, and I'm going to try to make this omelet in a coffee mug. I don't know if any of you have heard of it, but that's what I'm going to do. So stay tuned. Let's see how it turns out. Hey everyone. So today is the next day. I actually just got back and getting my nails done at Walmart. I added a few touches when I got home, like with my gel glitter, and put my nails back under the light. I don't know if you can see it, but I added glitter like on these fingers, just a little bit at the bottom. Right now I'm about to experiment. I'm gonna make this omelet in a coffee mug. I got this recipe online, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna put some eggs. Well, I'm gonna spray the cup with like some, what is it called, Pam, or spray the cup with some cooking oil. I'm gonna crack some eggs in it. I'm really just gonna follow the recipe. But I've been trying to eat a lot more healthier. I've actually been trying to eat healthier since like around New Year's, I believe, or a little bit before New Year's. But I'm just trying to find new recipes that can accommodate that. So get out the eggs. I'm using some eggs. I'm going to use, I think this is, what is this? Parsley. I'm going to use some mushrooms. I think I'm going to use some green onions. Okay, I think those are green peppers. But they're onions. And then I'm going to put some spinach in here too. And I might do 1 tomato. Okay. And some cheese. Can't forget the cheese. So, where's the cheese? I just had it. Oh, no, that's not it. Use some mozzarella. So, I have a coffee mug, and I'm going to spray the coffee mug. All right. Okay, so the eggs are in there. And now I'm going to add some mushrooms. Okay. I'm gonna do green onions. I'm gonna be lazy with this. I'm not even gonna cut all these. I'm just gonna rip them. I'm not measuring or anything. I'm just adding ingredients to it. I saw this recipe on some website. It was like a vegan website. No, not a vegan. I don't know what website it was. It was some kind of healthy, no meat website. They had a whole bunch of meals with no meat. And I saw this omelet in a coffee mug that looked really easy and good. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. Now, I think I'm supposed to put the parsley after I get done, but I'm just going to put it in. All right, let's put a potato or tomato in here. All right, now I'm gonna do the cheese. I think I was supposed to actually beat the egg. I was supposed to beat the egg before I put all this in here, but we just gonna roll with it. A little bit of baby spinach in it. I'm just gonna stir it all up together. grandma would say, it's all going to the same place. It's all going in the same place. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to add some milk. And the milk that I'm going to use is oat milk. I remember I did a YouTube video and I've tried a drink from Starbucks, I think while I was pregnant. And I thought I was trying goat milk. And then I thought about it, I'm like, goat milk? It couldn't have been goat milk. And I was like, oh, oat milk. I said, that must have been pregnancy cream right there. All right, everyone. So I am in the bed. I'm supposed to be resting, but you know how it is when you lay down and you try to go to sleep, but you can't. That's where I'm at right now. So I decided to get back on my websites and see what else I need to do on both websites, the badchickhair.com as well as the keepingupwithbrittney.com. But on the Keeping Up with Brittney website, keepingupwithbrittney.com, I added a new service like I've been talking about, and the service is credit repair services. If you all have been following my channel, you know I am very passionate about credit. I'm very passionate about credit awareness, as well as financial freedom and being able to live the lifestyle that you want to live the most responsible way, and to have as much freedom as you can doing it, to monetize your skills and your talents and gifts. All of that is what I talk about on the Brittney Bundles podcast, as well as on my YouTube channel. If you can hear Tyra snoring, please ignore that. But yes, I am really excited to come out with this. So pretty much, if you want to learn more about my credit repair services, go to the Credit Repair Center on my website, keepingupwithbrittney.com. Scroll down, click Credit Dispute Center Inquiry, and then you'll see a page like this. You can scroll down, read information about the services that I'm offering. And then if you have a question, you can always click here for customer service. If you are interested in booking a consultation, you can book a free 15-minute consultation right here. And then also I'm coming out with a credit awareness podcast that will be launching on June 25th. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be under the same Instagram, Brittney Bundles _podcast, excuse me. So be sure to make sure that you're following my podcast on Instagram. That way you're aware when I'm uploading any new podcast episode. I'm going to be uploading the episodes on the same platform. So you'll be able to click the same links and get the podcast episode on my podcast Instagram. The same link, like I mentioned, same Instagram as you currently are doing now for my business related podcast episodes. So I'm really excited to bring that to the podcast too. I'll have more information about that on my website, keepingupwithbrittney.com, as well as on my Instagram, Brittney Bundles _podcast. So I'm really excited to offer these services. And again, if you want to know more information, just go over to my website, keepingupwithbrittney.com, and you'll be able to click on the Credit Dispute Center Inquiry button and get over to the information. Now, you can also go to badchickhair.com and you can you can go ahead and click on credit dispute process right there. It's $0 for the consultation. It gives you information here, and you can also copy and paste the direct link to the site that I just showed you on the keepingupwithbrittney.com website. But whatever information you check out with, like the phone number and email, make sure that they are your correct and up-to-date. Make sure it's your correct and up-to-date information, because sometimes when people place orders for hair, for an example, they'll place an order and I'll send the tracking information to their email address, the same email that they put on the order. And some people may say, hey, I don't use that email anymore. That's an older email. So whatever information you put with any order, be sure that it's the email address that you're wanting to receive correspondence at, and also the phone number that I can reach you at. So that is what I am working on currently. Now, I'm not going to take an unlimited amount of clients. I'm thinking I'm going to do up to 10 clients per month. So it's really important, if you're interested, to go ahead and hop on, take advantage of it now, do the consultation. It's completely free, and learn more about what I'm offering. So that is that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm probably just going to get up because I'm not really tired right now. I thought I was tired until I just laid down for a second, and I'm really not. But I'm going to get up and I'll pick the vlog back up in just a little bit. So the omelet that I made yesterday in the coffee mug could have turned out better. I think I know what I did wrong. And the first thing that I did was I didn't use accurate measurements. So I put too much milk in, and that caused me to put the egg back in the microwave way more than I should. So the egg was a little bit more done than I would like it. Well, a lot more done than I would like it. And then there was still oat milk in it. So it was kind of like mushy. So it tastes good. Like all the ingredients taste good. That's why I'm like, but as far as it looking like the picture looked and having the texture that it's supposed to have, it did not have that, because I just didn't. I didn't follow the ingredients, and I didn't follow the time allotments either, because you're supposed to put the omelet back in the microwave like I think 2 times for 2 minutes each, I believe. I don't know. I have to look at the directions, but because I didn't follow the directions, it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. What I'm doing now is I'm about to make some coffee and get started with my day. First thing I'm gonna do is do a light workout. I'm gonna do some stretching, and then I don't know if I'm going into church today, or I don't know if I'm gonna do virtual church. I'm not sure. And then what else do I need to do? I also need to work on my website, and make sure things are ready for tomorrow. I have my laundry going right now, if you can hear that in the background. I'm just hoping that today is like a chill day, because I really don't want to do too much. I just want to relax. But I wanted to pick up the vlog and tell you all how the the omelet in the mug turned out. I'm gonna redo it. I'll probably do a whole video dedicated to following the instructions and actually seeing how it turns out. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. But I've been filming this vlog over the course of like 3 or 4 days, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap it up. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.